Hi there, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I picked up a discounted Lookfantastic beauty box. It's a limited edition beauty box. It's called a Christmas present. It was selling for £50. It is now down to £35. And my Lookfantastic code, which is DiaryLF, that gave an extra, I think it's £2 or £3 off. And it has a value of £170 and contains 6 full-size beauty products. So I thought I'd get it in a sale and share it with you. If you're interested in getting this box for yourself, as always, you'll find a link to it down below in my description. Down there, you'll see all my other links and discount codes to other websites, so you're welcome to take a look, including a giveaway to win the Body Shop advent calendar over on my Instagram page and on my Facebook page. It's a dual giveaway that ends in about a week's time. Excuse me looking a little bit sweaty. I've been out all day and I saw this come in the post and I thought, oh, do you know what, I'm just going to grab my camera and just film a video, so if I'm not looking my best I apologise. Let's start off with Molten Brown. This is the Molten Brown body lotion, orange and bergamot. It's 300 mils here. Now this is worth £32. It's full size and the scents vary. I was hoping that I would get the rhubarb. I was going to say crumble then. No, it's not rhubarb crumble. The rhubarb and rose one, which I love. Don't like rose, but I love rhubarb and rose. I do like this one though as well. It's really uplifting. It just smells like a posh spa. I love the citrus. It feels really nice on my skin as well. Yes, you've got a large Molten Brown body lotion there. Then we've got OLAPLEX number 9. It's a Bond Protector Nourishing Hair Serum. Antioxidant rich serum, protects, softens and improves manageability for all hair types. And there is 90 mils here. This is full size and it's worth around £27. It's a weightless, multi-benefit antioxidant serum that provides pollution protection to perfect and protect all hair types and textures. You apply it to damp hair. You can leave it dry for a more textured look or blow dry for a more smoother finish. There's that. Then we've got a gorgeous blush by Morphe, and this is a Euphoric Rush 3-in-1 Silk Blush. This is full size and it retails for £16. Oh, look at my nails, by the way. Can you see? They're like a grey, like a silvery grey black sparkle. It is so gorgeous. I love them. I absolutely love them. I don't normally go for like glitters and things around Christmas. I normally do it after Christmas. Bit weird, I know. We all get this colour. Buildable, a buttery smooth cream blush that primes, hydrates and blurs for a naturally energised rush of colour. Infused with silky skin blurring primer, hyaluronic filling spheres, vegetable collagen and bamboo extract. This lush formula melts on contact for a healthy looking flush and supple matte finish. The colour is a bit mad, gotta be honest. Wow. It's not a bad colour actually. That's really nice. Look how blended out that is. So that just gives a very subtle hint, doesn't it? Let's build that up a bit more. Doesn't leave the skin feeling too tacky either. Yeah, you can see. You might be able to see better here. I love the texture. Yeah, that's really, really nice. I'm going to look at the other colours. So this is Pleasured. I quite like that and I would wear that. That is nice. I don't like anything too shimmery, but I love a sort of glass-like look to the skin like that. I think that's pretty. Yeah, really impressed. Then we've got Makeup Forever, and this is Rouge Artist Forever Long Wear Intense Lipstick. Okay, in shade 600 Anywhere Caffeine. Look. And this retails for £27. Okay. On the fence. Let's try it. No. Let's try and see that. Well, that blends out a little bit. It's not too bad. especially if I went in with a rust like lip liner. No, it's too brown for me. I've got really small lips. One thing I'm noticing more so with getting older is my lips seem to be getting thinner, to the point where I'm actually thinking about having filler, just a little bit. I've never had Botox or filler, as you know. I've never had it. Too scared. If it looks awful, then I can get it dissolved. There is a reputable doctor who's also a GP, also does aesthetics, and I'm thinking of having it done in the new year. Guaranteed, as soon as I have lip filler, I'll be on to the Botox then. I'd love to try it, just to see what I look like. We've got some lashes. These are by Allure, and they are £6. I love these ones. They're very, very natural, but they're 3/4 as well. My eyes are quite small. I haven't got any lashes on today. I've just got mascara, but I do tend to like just have 3/4 lengths, just so that it just flicks out with my little eyeliner that I like to do. Natural Look 003, and they have glue with them as well. They're really, really pretty. Very, very light, as you can see here. The banding is super, super light. So these type of lashes I could wear without doing an eyeliner. Normally, I wear an eyeliner before I put lashes on. The Beauty Crop Oui Cherie Gripping Primer, again full size, and it's worth £8. Hydrating and gripping primer with hyaluronic acid and cherry extract. I got this recently in another box. I can't remember what one, or was it one of the subscription boxes for December? I can't remember. Maybe glossy box? I don't know. But yeah, I've yet to try it anyway. But yeah, bright red. I'll just show you on my skin what it looks like. Bit scary looking, but it does blend in. Yeah, so you got that. And then lastly, oh, sorry, my face is right up close, close to you then. My husband said the other day, can you imagine if people are watching this on like 60-inch TVs? And then I'm like this. No, I don't want to think about it. If I think about things too much, then it just like makes me cringe, and I don't want to do it. But we got Rodial. This is hyaluronic drink. Facial mist, again full size, and retails for £59. I love a facial mist, love, love, love. So Dragon's Blood then, hyaluronic drink, a super hydrating lightweight face mist, and that is it. Oh, it's a full-on one. Oh, it feels so nice though. Oh, I'm soaked now. I'm soaked. So I'll definitely use that. And there you go. So those are 6 items in the Christmas present, limited edition beauty box from Lookfantastic. Has a value of £170. Contains 6 full-size products, and it was selling for £50. Currently selling for £35. But over the last week, my code DiaryLF could get you a couple of pound off. I don't know if that's still available, because sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. I'll pop the information down below in the description. So yeah, if it works, then I'll let you know. It's not 6 products, 7. We got OLAPLEX No. 9 Hair Nourishing Serum, Morphe Euphoric Rush Blush, Eyelure 3/4 length false lashes and glue, Molten Brown Orange and Bergamot Body Lotion, Rodial Dragon's Blood Hyaluronic Mist, Makeup Forever Rouge Artist Forever Lipstick in shade Anywhere Caffeine, and then the Beauty Crop, a Oui Cherie Hydrating Gripping Primer. As always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this one? Did you buy it for yourself? Or are you watching this thinking, that could be a good gift for someone? Or you think, nah, not your thing? I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.